Patron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. It's your first time here. I'm the big fella Scruff. And what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, do hit the subscribe button. Genuinely helps, and we'll crack on. So what am I doing? Well, the first thing I'm doing is having a coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes it coffee. And he does, because it's early morning. It's shade after 7:30. If you look in the video channel, you'll see earlier on I posted a video about the news and what I expect the markets to be doing. And now I'm going to back that up, because one of the markets I picked out was pound CAD, and I made a small prediction in it saying that we're going to sell it. So I'm going to show you it, because I like to put my head on the block. Some people like it, some people don't. Personally, I don't give a toss. It's just me doing my job, and the videos are really a video representation of my journal, and I do implore that you journal. And I also implore that you stop jumping around YouTube looking for strategies. Strategies ain't going to make you money, guys. Management and common sense is what's going to make you money. Now, this is something we discuss heavily in the squad, and the guys that are surviving and the guys that are making money are coming around to understand that. The ones that come in just looking for a magic pill or a free ride, they fail. And if that's what you're looking for, you're going to fail as well. So when it comes to trading, common sense is key, and it's not difficult. Trading is not difficult. I could spend an hour with you in a one-to-one, and I'll show you more in an hour than you will in 5 years of going around YouTube. And that's just cold hard fact. And you come into the Discord, there is open channels, talk to the guys in there, and they'll tell you. Last night we had a great stream, because we have face-to-face every day. We went through, I broke down the Nikkei, told them exactly what was going to happen, why it was going to happen, and this morning the fruits are there. You know, so I predicted that hours before it came into play. And if we flick this over, I've actually just entered the chart that we're going to be looking at today. But yesterday you saw me do the same thing, and the guys in the squad will testify to this, and I hope they do, that I showed them what I was going to do before I did it. You know, and that'll kind of, well, we'll find out in the comments what the guys in the squad think of me, because I would like to see them comment on this, you know, and verify what I say. But there you go. I called all of that out before I did it. All of it. So, what's this all about? Well, if you look at the video, we saw the drive off this, and I was showing you the stall points and cleared it down a little bit. And it's at one right now. Now, how do I know where a stall point is? You find it through a fib. Now, what you've got to do with a fib is figure out where to pick it from. And you need a definitive top and a definitive bottom. Well, there's a bottom, there's a top. Now, if you're looking for the retracement, fine, it's coming into it. But if you're looking for the continuation, so just get hold of this, pull that back down into where it ended, bring it back, it'll show you the continuation. And it's there, all right? It's holding underneath it, chatter, 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 you know. And if it's holding underneath, where's it going to go? Well, it's going to come here, you know. So what's in its path? Well, it's that. So that's your trading arena from this point. So let me draw it in just so we can highlight it when I go down into a lower time frame. There's your trading arena from an hourly chart between the 2 points. Simple process. Got 2 points of attraction. It's holding underneath, bang, 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 bang. It's got underneath the key level. So it's now cascading down into this one. take it down into 5 minutes so we can see what's going on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stage this up into this. I can see there's a bumping point here. So I want to be a level of pain above there. But in the meantime, I'm quite happy to capitalize on this move up into here to then come back on itself and get some money. Very, very simple. Let me play it out because we're coming into opens and I need to have a meeting with the guys, so I may have to switch the camera off because we do have morning meetings as well. But I'll come back to you. But you kind of know the premise. I'm looking to sell this and it's pushing down. And if you go out to the 4 hour, you'll see exactly why I'm selling it. Boom, boom, boom. It's a heavy downtrend. Go to the day. You can see it in the day, so there's no reason for that really to stop at this point. You can see it there, slight pullback, nothing to be worried about. And then take it into 5 minutes to manage. That's simple. So I'm going to put my extra orders in to capitalize on this, slam it down, job done. Okay guys, I need the camera because it's that time of the morning where we go into a Zoom call with the guys in the squad. We have a little bit of a meeting every day, face to face. And like I say, if you want to come along to the Discord, you'll find links in the comments and the description. Okay. You'll also find my contact details and various other links whether you want to try preferred broker, black bull, tight spreads, big leverage, or a prop fund. I know the prop industry is having a hard time at the moment, but I truly trust the 5%ers and you'll get 5% discount off that as well. So let me scoot, but before we do, it's doing pretty much what I said in both videos. Staged into it, got my money here. This one I might take out of the equation and just leave these to run. But either way, I've got plenty of money to play with. Okay, because that's what we've done. Catch you in a bit.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, I'm back. We're just going to play this out. It's sitting, well, it's still doing what I thought it would do, to be honest. Should start cascading into these shortly, hopefully, and we'll make some money. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm stopped out. I had it staged in the way I wanted it. It cascaded down, started taking out the orders, boom, 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 and then just put a trailing stop on the end to see if it'll run down into the level. It may well get there later on today, but I've been paid. So why would I possibly want to try and go against that? I mean, it would just be daft. So what's it done? Well, there you go. Just staging in simply, bang, 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 bang. All of those small positions have added up to being quite sizable. That's trading. That's what trading is all about. Comes down to one thing. If you bear with me, I'll tell you. Planning. Planned it out, stuck to the conviction, and then I weren't greedy. But planning was the key element. You planned anything today? That'll be no then.
I have.
What have you planned?
I'm planning these.
No, I just mean in general. What are you planning to do today?
Well, I was planning to do the garage.
We're going in the garage, are we?
No, it's soaking wet.
Alright.
Everything's done.
It's horrendous here. So, what is it to say about good plans? Well, apparently it gets soaking wet. No. I love winding Winky up. I love Winky. And I love the charts for the most part. But it's only a means to an end, guys. It's only a means to an end. I'm done now. I'm done for the week. I don't need to do anything more. Because I've been paid enough to see me through the week. And that's it. So knowing when to quit is as important. But ask yourself this. How many times you've had a good win and then you go back to market and give it back? Quite a lot. So as always, if you want to find me, you find my contact details below. If you want to come along and talk to us personally, you find me in the Discord every single day. We did used to have a Telegram, and I'll just kind of touch on this now. Due to the amount of dickheads that came in and sort of scammers trying to rip people off, it's sadly closing down at the end of the month. And the reason being is you can come in, and if you sort of like block me, I can't see who you are. So I can't see if you're sort of harassing people or anything like that. In the Discord, where you're welcome to come, I can see who you are. So it's a nice, safe, clean place to be. So all my efforts is going to be in the Discord rather than the Telegram. And sadly, it's going to close. So if you do see a Telegram for the Scruffy Trader, report it immediately. Because it is genuinely a scam. I have nothing to do with it. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.